Okay, how to replace your 1999 Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel 3/4 ton lights up here with LED. Hopefully these are the right ones. Got them online at either eBay or Amazon, one of the two, I forget which, but this is the number I'm using. See if it works. In case you're wondering, why am I replacing them with LEDs? It's because the regular light bulbs are melting the plastic really bad. It's not cool. So anyways, these should run cooler, I'm hoping. If anybody knows how much cooler they run, that would be cool to know. Put it down in the comments. Alright, let's do this. All you do is push here with a screwdriver and just kind of there's a little catch right here to take the lens out. All right, let's do it. Okay, well, definitely don't use these bulbs in your Dodge Ram. They're definitely the wrong. They fit, but they're too darn hot, and they melt everything. It says right there, I don't know if you can read it. It says bulb 906, I think. Let's see if I can turn on the one beside it to see if that helps at all. Yeah, it says bulb 906. So I guess if you want to put a regular bulb in, that's what you would use. So hopefully, let's try these. See if it works. Okay, I put this thing in there. It seems to work, but I don't recommend it. It's too thick. You can't stick it in the socket all the way right. So I do not recommend these. This particular model, LT10, too darn thick, the base part of it. You can't push it in the hole all the way. It just sticks in the tip of it, and that's all you get. So, but it works, so I'll try it, and I'm gonna call them and see if I can't get something better. But there's the correct bulb. I think I might just go get the right bulb if I can. Bulb 906. Or if you guys know if there's a good LED one, let me know in the comments if you found a good one. Appreciate it. Thanks. Click like on the video, subscribe. See what the definite difference in the light. Well, as you can see, the beautifulness of it is the white light is a lot nicer than that yellow light, and these get way too hot. So, but yeah, at least the white light is really nice. I'll try it and let you guys know. I'll do a temperature check too. This one, see if I can do a temperature check on the right one. I'm running at about 90, 96 or something right now. Let's see what this one's running at. 84. Thinking like that. 85. This one's probably gonna get to, let's see what this is, 97. Probably get plastic melting temperature. Wonder what that is, but gotta be over 100 degrees. All right. Okay, this is a video of how far I got it stuck in the hole. See if it is in all the way or what. Huh. I have to look at it. I guess maybe that's as far as it goes in. Sure didn't seem very far. Okay, world, I finally got the LED lights in the truck. There's the dome light though. I don't know if you can see the difference. It's kind of yellow. And this one's, these are beautiful white, man. It's like, wow. It's like, why didn't they do this sooner? LEDs are beautiful. They're so white and clean looking. And the light they give off is pretty cool. Yeah, the yellow light doesn't really show up on, well, maybe it does, I don't know. See on the big screen or something, but yeah, what a difference. This is, yeah, what a difference. Okay, but of course, when I was doing this, the switch that turns these things on and off, it blew out on the right one. So my right one, my switch is blown. I have to fix that this weekend. I don't know why I didn't, my JB welded this switch together. I don't know why I didn't just, for preventative measure, JB welded that one years ago. Probably been 5 years or more since I repaired that switch. I don't know, something, I have to look back. But JB Weld has sure held up nice. It's worked out really well on fixing that switch. You can go back and look on my video. Probably repair of console or map light. Probably repair of overhead console, light switch or something. You could search my page and find out when I did that, because I did a video on it at the time. When I JB welded that switch together. I'll have to check it out. But yeah, anyways, beautiful white light. So LEDs are working okay. We'll see. These are the ones that I used. They're really a tight fit. I did get the right side to go in all the way, and the left side I think, and I talked to tech support with them. I called Last Fit, and I called them at about 11 o'clock this morning, and 11:09 I think I called them, and then they called me back at like I had to leave a message. I was on hold for like 5 minutes and it said leave a message. Then they called me back about 11:34 or something like that, so it was like about 20, I think it was 20 minutes or something. I don't know the exact times, but I looked this morning and it wasn't bad. They called me back, and a regular American person answered the phone, and he was knowledgeable about what was going on, you know, and yeah, so it was good tech support. I was happy about that. So anyways, we'll see how long they last. I'll let you guys know 1 year warranty. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, and click like on the video if you could. All right, take care. Bye.